Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mindfulness Meditation Techniques for a Healthy Work-Life Balance. I hope that during the first activity of this workshop, you gained a greater understanding of the connection between a healthy work-life balance and mindfulness meditation, and that you are now eager to learn some techniques for practicing mindfulness yourselves. For the second activity of this workshop, I will be giving you the tools to practice short mindfulness meditation exercises. The purpose of these short exercises is to calm down intense moments and refocus attention and energy. Short mindfulness exercises can be done anytime, anywhere, including at home or at work. Before starting mindfulness meditation, it's probably a good idea to calm yourself down. Start by closing the door to your office or room, or go somewhere quiet. Sit or lie down, whatever makes you comfortable, and close your eyes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Make sure that each breath is filling you up wholly, all the way into your stomach. Make sure to extend each exhale longer than the inhale before it. Allow yourself to sink into the rhythm of your breathing. Notice the places in your body that might be tense, your shoulders, your neck, your jaw, or anywhere else. Try to relax the muscles that are tense. Keep slowly breathing in and out until you feel calm. The first exercise I am going to explain is called mindful seeing or mindful observation. Its purpose is to help you connect to the beauty of the natural world and offers you the opportunity to appreciate simple elements of the surrounding environment. If you choose to do this exercise at work, go to a window that looks out onto some element of nature. If you are at home or elsewhere, try going outside. Choose one natural object and try watching it for a couple of minutes, or for as long as your concentration allows you to. Imagine that you are seeing this object for the first time. Try and notice everything about it: its shape, texture, size, if it's moving in the breeze. Be consumed with every aspect of this object and try to connect with its energy and place in the world. Another way to do this exercise is to look at everything instead of just one object. When you do it this way, try to avoid labeling items like tree, clouds, or birds. Instead, notice the shapes, textures, sizes, colors, and movements of each object. Imagine that you are seeing this scene for the first time. Be consumed with as many aspects of the scene which you find yourself in, and try watching for a couple of minutes or for as long as your concentration allows you to. If you are easily distracted during this exercise, it might be a good idea to go back to focusing on a single object. The next exercise I'm going to explain is called the 5 senses exercise. It can be completed quickly wherever you find yourself. Start by noticing 5 things that you can see. Try and pick things that you normally wouldn't notice. Maybe a crack in the ground, some dust on the top of your computer screen, something like that. Next, notice 4 things that you can feel. These should be physical things, not emotional feelings, like the way that your clothes feel on your body, the way that the seat underneath you feels against your bum. Then, notice 3 things that you can hear. Once you have noticed 3 things that you can hear, try and notice 2 things that you can smell. This may be difficult depending on where you are, but try to distinguish 2 smells in your surroundings. Lastly, notice 1 thing that you can taste. It's okay to take a drink of something or a bite of something, or maybe you still have a lingering taste of chocolate or something else on your breath. The purpose of the 5 senses exercise is to bring your attention back to your current surroundings and current moment. The last exercise I am going to explain is 3 minutes of breathing. Start by closing the door to your office or room, or go somewhere quiet. The 3-minute exercise is broken down into 1-minute increments. During the first minute, focus on your feelings and thoughts. Ask yourself, how am I doing or feeling right now? During the second minute, try to focus on your breathing. Breathe in slowly through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. During the last minute, continue to breathe in and out slowly and try to focus on how each breath affects the rest of your body. Does your chest go up and down? Does your breath fill you up wholly into your stomach? Do your shoulders rise up and drop down? Don't feel bad if each minute feels like eternity. Try your hardest to focus on each minute and know that it gets easier with practice. We are going to take the next 10 minutes practicing some of these exercises. I want each of you participants to go and find a quiet place, either in the building or outside, and try and practice at least one of these mindfulness meditation exercises. I will be available to answer any questions or to re-explain any of the exercises as needed. When we return from this practice, we will begin the 3rd and final activity for this workshop. For the 3rd activity, we will be doing a body scan exercise as the group. Ready? Go!